In today's lesson, we will be going over the musical alphabet. So what is the musical alphabet? Well, in short, it's like the ABCs, except we only use the first 7 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. To help us remember this, we're going to make our own musical alphabet chart. And parents, feel free to do this activity too. We'll need a piece of paper and something to draw with. You can pause the video real quick to grab your supplies. Now that you have your paper, we're going to make a circle in the middle. Then, starting from the top of the circle, we're going to write the letters A through G. A, then move to the right. B, C, D, E, F, and G. We want our letters to be evenly spaced out so they look like this at the end. Feel free to pause the video again so you can finish your activity. Once you're done with your drawing, you'll have a finished musical alphabet chart. To learn where these notes are on the piano, we're going to start from middle C. First, you're going to point to middle C. Do you see the white key to the right of it? That one is D, and it's one step away from C. C, D. The other one after this is E. Do you recognize the pattern? We're following our musical alphabet. The next white key after E is F. So far we have C, D, E, and F. Then we have G. And now you may have noticed that we reached the end of our musical alphabet. So what happens now is we restart at the letter A again. So after G, the note is A. And the note after A is B. You'll notice that we've reached the end of this set of white keys, and we'll restart the pattern once more. C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, all the way until we reach the last note of the piano. Parents, you can help them practice their steps and skips, which helps them remember the notes. Have them start a note, say for example middle C, and have them identify a note that is one step or a skip away. You can also increase the distance between the notes you pick as well by using different intervals. For example, you can ask them to play a note a fourth away. A fourth is F. Or a fifth away from middle C. A fifth is G. And finally, you can try this by using some of the different hand positions we've learned so far. Remember that their hands should be steady and relaxed in these hand positions. See you soon, and happy practicing.